Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Arms. We're doing 2 more boxes of STICKWORKS for JojoMojo. Do you want a box too, Joe? Do you want me to save you a box as well? No? Yeah, okay.
You get 4 cards? No, yeah.
Give me 1 second. I don't know how to position this. There we go. Empty. I got 4 boxes left in this out of this case. Okay, Ronnie needs to open a box, so Ronnie's gonna do that one for you. We'll swap right after. Joe says you open the next one for him.
Okay.
So we got Stickwork Game Use Stick of Marion Gabrick, silver. Pretty sure out of 9. Marion Gabrick. And the next one is a tape job. Nicholas Lidstrom. PC card there. Tape job, Nicky Lidstrom. And last one. Last one is Stickworks Dual. Cannot focus. Tim Horn and Bob Bond. Bond, I think is how you say his name. Come on. Tim Horn and Bob Bond.
Bond? Yeah.
Or Bond, yeah, Bond. Not too bad there, so I'll just quickly swap spots with Ron.
Alright, Joe.
Hopefully you can pull your 101.
I have my X-Acto knife upstairs.
Just be careful though.
Yeah. Alright. This one. This one. Okay, empty. Okay, we start off with a silver of Kelly Rudy and Billy Smith. Silver version. This is out of 19.
It's out of 19 or 9?
I think it's 19 because it's dual.
Yeah, the Islanders are a sick product.
Oh, I think this might.
Turn sideways. Other way.
We have a silver version. Game Use Stick of. Gosh, I can't even read that name.
Patrice Bergeron.
Huh. And we have a silver version vintage tape of Pierre Palat. Oh, no 101. I'm sorry.